Ever wondered why you want to dive into the world of investing? Is it all about making money without lifting a finger, outsmarting others, or maybe quitting that 9-to-5 grind to become your boss? Well, you're in the right place because investing can get you there. But here's the twist. It's not about the money. It's about becoming richer, wiser, and happier. Welcome to Wealthway, and today we're diving into the top 5 takeaways from Richer, Wiser, Happier by William Green. Get ready for some investing wisdom. For more awesome content like this, subscribing is the way to go. And of course, liking this video helps it reach more people. Let's dive in. Takeaway 1. Be a copycat. Our first takeaway is all about being a copycat. Yes, you heard me right. We're talking about embracing your inner copycat. Just like Manish Pabrai, who's found success by following in the footsteps of none other than Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. Pabrai didn't attempt to reinvent the wheel. Instead, he took a page from the playbook of a financial legend. So why should you reinvent the wheel when you can emulate the best in the field you want to excel in? It's like discovering a shortcut to success. Pabrai's strategy is a shining example of this approach. It's a proven strategy that has not only made him a smart investor, but has also left us wondering, why didn't we think of that? After all, the path to success is often laid by those who have already paved the way. So if you want to excel in any field, from investing to entrepreneurship, consider taking a cue from the masters. Sometimes, following the footprints of giants is the quickest way to reach the top. Takeaway 2. Invert. Always invert. Our second takeaway is all about flipping problems on their heads, just like the legendary Charlie Munger does. Instead of asking, how do I find a great investment? We should be asking, how do I avoid a terrible one? It's like becoming a sculptor, chiseling away the unwanted to reveal the masterpiece beneath. In the world of investing, we're not merely searching for gems. We're carving them out of the rough. We focus on understanding our circle of competence, the quality of management, the prospects of the business, and the reasonableness of prices. It's like sculpting a masterpiece out of a block of marble, with each decision chipping away the unnecessary to unveil the true beauty within. Just like Michelangelo sculpted David, we're sculpting our investments, minus the chiseled abs. So the next time you're faced with an investment opportunity, remember to invert your thinking. It's not about how to find a winning investment. It's about how to avoid a losing one. After all, sometimes the masterpiece is already there. It just needs a bit of chiseling and refining to shine. Takeaway 3. Focus on the ultra long run. Our third takeaway comes from the incredible journey of Nick Sleep, who shattered the MSCI World Index by focusing on the ultra long run. He firmly believes in the concept of knowledge with a long shelf life. Instead of getting caught up in the short-term market noise, Sleep encourages us to think beyond the next quarter and envision where a company could be a decade or two down the line. It's like investing with a crystal ball, but with a much better track record. This approach might not be the talk of Wall Street, but it's a surefire way to secure your financial future. It's akin to choosing a map for a cross-country road trip over a GPS that only guides you to the next gas station. By focusing on the ultra-long run, you're positioning yourself for success in the marathon of investing rather than the sprint. So the next time you're tempted by short-term gains, remember the wisdom of Nick Sleep and think about where you want to be in the ultra-long run. It's like securing your place in the Hall of Investing fame, one carefully thought-out decision at a time. Takeaway 4. Decisions made under uncertainty. Investing can often feel like a game of predicting the future, and the rules of this game are elusive and uncertain. Howard Marks, a renowned investor, emphasizes the importance of acknowledging our limitations when making investment decisions. He rightly points out that no one can consistently get it right when it comes to individual stock selection, especially in highly competitive markets like large-cap stocks. It's like trying to choose between Merck and Eli Lilly, two giant pharmaceutical companies. a challenging task even for the most seasoned investors. Mark's approach highlights the value of using history as a rough guide for the future. By looking at a company's track record, you can make more informed decisions. It's like betting on the horse with a history of strong performance instead of an unpredictable newcomer. In addition, it's essential to identify potential vulnerabilities and take active measures to minimize them. In investing and in life, it's easier to recognize that a risk exists than to predict when an event might expose this risk. By being aware of potential pitfalls and proactively managing them, you can enhance your chances of success and protect your investments. It's akin to slowing down on an icy road to avoid a potential accident. By applying these principles, you can navigate the uncertain waters of investing with greater confidence and skill, ultimately improving your long-term results. Takeaway 5. A non-perfect, perfect strategy. Joel Greenblatt's wisdom encapsulates our final takeaway. The best investment strategy isn't necessarily the one with the highest returns, but the one you can stick with. Many of us fall into the trap of chasing perfection, seeking the ideal strategy, or striving for flawless execution. But as Greenblatt wisely points out, the pursuit of perfection can be paralyzing. It's like aiming for the perfect workout routine or the perfect diet. We often get stuck in the planning phase, waiting for the ideal moment which rarely comes. Greenblatt's message is clear. The most effective strategy is the one that you can consistently follow. It's better to be a satisfier than an optimizer. Rather than fixating on perfection, aim for what works and is sustainable. It's like choosing a pizza with most of your favorite toppings, even if it's not the perfect combination. In the world of investing, this means selecting a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and personal preferences. Whether it's long-term value investing or a diversified portfolio, the key is to stick with your chosen approach through the ups and downs of the market. By doing so, you can increase your chances of success and make steady progress toward your financial objectives. So remember, it's not about having the perfect plan. It's about having a plan that works for you and that you can stick with over the long term. In the end, a non-perfect perfect strategy can lead to consistent success and greater satisfaction on your investing journey. So, to become richer, wiser, and happier, here's your recipe. 1. Copy the best. 2. Invert problems like a sculptor. 3. Focus on the ultra-long run. 4. Embrace uncertainty with honesty and preparation. And 5. Be a satisfier, not an optimizer. As we wrap up another episode of Wealth Way, we're grateful for your company. We hope the financial wisdom shared here today aids you on your wealth-building quest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and join our community by subscribing. For any questions or insights you'd like to share, the comments section is all yours. Until our next meeting, keep chasing your financial dreams because on Wealth Way, we believe your wealth is just around the corner.